When he picked it up and wondered whether to cook it by steaming or roasting, the crocodile suddenly jumped straight onto his face. Everyone was so terrified that they stepped back one by one. The young man's head burst open from the sudden attack of the crocodile's two claws, and he began to hate the Northwest. But then, something strange happened. The young man suddenly fell unconscious like a dog, and the old man's hiccups somehow killed him. It was all real. Yes, it was all true. Ha 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 ha. He didn't know that the old man's hiccups had disturbed the sleeping army of crocodiles. At that very moment, a herd of ghost-faced crocodiles charged toward them. Those who couldn't even react in time turned and ran away. Those who were slow were instantly torn to pieces. Nothing was left, not even their underwear. However, strange things continued to happen. The ghost-faced crocodiles reached the edge of the forest, but they couldn't gather the courage to go any farther. There must have been creatures even more terrifying inside the forest. Everyone had no choice but to move carefully and quietly. Yet, the deeper they went, the darker and scarier the forest became. Surprisingly, the old man's hiccups did not stop or show any fear. Soon, the group discovered a large ball of water. When the old man's hiccups grew more excited, he began to think this was the city he had been searching for. As expected, another disaster struck.